Facebook, on YouTube. Here it is, filed by the state of Texas and their attorney general. The state of Texas versus the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, the state of Georgia, the state of Michigan, and the state of Wisconsin. This lawsuit, again, at the filing at the U.S. Supreme Court, focuses in on really three main counts. The Electors Clause being violated because the Electors Clause says that it's state legislators, the legislatures, that have to make rules on the elections and changes to the election rules. There's a equal protection claim as well as a due process claim, and it closes with saying the prayer for relief is to declare that these states cannot set the current electors, and that that the legislature has to, in each of these states, appoint new electors. So this has been filed at the U.S. Supreme Court this morning by the state of Texas against the
I'm here at the gala. We're preparing here for a great event.
Michigan,
and tell us your name and why you're here.
Sure, I'm Assemblywoman Carmen De La Rosa. I represent Washington Heights, Inwood, and Marble Hill. And I'm here because I'm...
This whole federal monitor thing, and what would you do as public advocate?
Well, we've earned a federal monitor.
Okay. Yep.
What is at stake here?
And they're fighting hard.
Why I think of all the cases, this is the most significant case. To be clear, I mean, there's no doubt about
deaths
it.
Here with
this
the
is the most significant of the cases filed. And it's the most significant because it is, as Jordan just said, completely outcome determinative. What does that mean? It means that if the court were to rule in favor of Texas, those four states, the states named in the complaint, would in fact have their state legislatures determine the outcome. They would pick the electors. This is a lawsuit, of course, against Georgia, Michigan, Pennsylvania, and Wisconsin. And it is an original jurisdiction, which means it doesn't start at the district court level. It starts at the Supreme Court of the United States, where it was lodged yesterday evening, very, very late. Actually, by the time it was lodged, probably this morning. It was lodged. It's a very significant piece of legislation. Of all the cases all over the country, in my mind, Andy, this is the one.
There's no doubt about it, Jay, because this case now invokes the original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court, which means states can sue states for violations of law or claims that they have in the Supreme Court of the United States. The Supreme Court does not have to accept the case. It's discretionary. It depends on what four justices decide to do. But there is no more important case pending that has been filed all over the country than this case now pending before the Supreme Court.
Section of the video the Trump team has shared. It's not suitcases